What's up, guys? We did it. 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody. And I am super pumped to continue giving you guys some content and sharing my journey on what's going on in the yard. Check it out. We are going to get out here and mow today. We're going to edge. We've got mulch that we're going to lay tomorrow. So I'm a pretty big fitness guy, so this will be my active recovery workout. I'm going to do some mulch laying tomorrow. It shouldn't be too bad. Bagged or bulk, what do you guys do? I've tried both, and I think I prefer the bagged more, just because I can put it where I want. I don't have to like destroy my lawn or my driveway and cleaning that all up. But today's just gonna be a cool little mow session. I'm just gonna share with you guys the mow. I'm going to trim and edge, then we'll get into the mow and we'll finish it up, but let's get going. So we've got the lilies of the valley that spread into the yard. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but it's a perennial flower. They have some little white flowers that are very fragrant in the springtime, but they have a way of spreading into the yard. But I just cut them down and we're good. These are the bare patches that I've been overseeding. It's been quite chilly. In fact, it's only in the low 40s today, but we're starting to get a little bit of germination right here. And by the way, guys, this is where I put pre-emergent. And if you didn't watch that video, check it out. But this is fortified with just some extra Scott's lawn soil. And even though there was pre-emergent applied here, we are getting germination. So you can still seed areas if you accidentally applied pre-emergent. You just need to follow the steps. Check out that video about fixing bare patches in the lawn. But I've got another one that I'm working on. But look at this tree. This is the best part of the spring, is that crabapple tree. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's cut this grass. What? Are you kidding me? No nitrogen. Zero nitrogen this spring so far. But look at that. Pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's check out the edges.
That boy is good.
That's it, guys. She is done. Look at that. Wow. No nitrogen, guys. Zero nitrogen. There's the edge. Check out that live edge. Nice and cleaned up. It's looking good, guys. It was a little spontaneous mower vid. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There's the north side of the lawn there. Looking real good, guys. So next video after this one will be how I am getting this green up without nitrogen. This really helps with keeping the excessive top growth down. You're still getting the color and density that you need in the lawn, and it works, guys. It's a way that I can manage all kinds of things by just still keeping a green lawn without the nitrogen. I will be putting down nitrogen soon, but check out what I do before that. And then I've got one more step before I even hit nitrogen. But anyways, truly appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. It truly is something I didn't expect in this lawn care community. Thanks again, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.